Want to know how to change your theme in Replit AI? So if you want to personalize and add your own themes in Replit, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Replit.com in order to change your theme or your chat theme. So let's get straight to it. Now just simply open up Replit.com on your website and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, and once you have logged in, here you should be seeing this interface right here. So make sure you're under home on the left side, and right here you should be seeing your chat. So right below chat you should be seeing something known as theme under this paint button. So you can just simply select it right here, and you can also change it accordingly, and it should change your themes, or you can just simply choose your theme for the prompt or the website get mix. So you can just simply also select manage theme in order to manage app themes just like this right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.